How to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to remove Vanish mode on Instagram. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on its official homepage. There are two ways to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. Let's learn the first method. Tap on the message icon at the top. Select the conversation where you want to disable Vanish mode. As you can see, Vanish mode is activated in this chat. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen. You will see a message saying swipe up to turn off Vanish mode with a circle showing your progress. The circle along with the text will turn blue and you will get a message release to turn off Vanish mode. Release your finger when you see this message. As you can see, Vanish mode has been turned off and your conversation is back to normal. Let's learn the second method. Select the conversation where you want to disable Vanish mode. Tap on their name at the top. Tap on privacy and safety. Here you will see the option for Vanish mode. Toggle off the button for this feature. Now come back to your chat to see Vanish mode has been deactivated. And there you have it. You have successfully learned two of the best ways to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.